Hi, my name's Cynthia. My son is a freshman here at Rising Aviation High School. I chose Rising Aviation because of its unique program offering aviation at the high school level. Ever since my son was young, he was very interested in planes and very military oriented. So I was lucky enough to find this school that my son absolutely loves and fits in well with. What makes Rising Aviation unique and special is that it's taught by industry professionals. It has like amazing educators, curriculum that's just not the usual public school curriculum that you would expect. My son loves it here. At my son's public school, he did feel kind of like an outsider there. He was the only one that was interested in aviation. So when he came here and met other students that also had the same interest, it really just opened him up. And it's a great thing to see as a parent. I have seen a lot of benefits that have come from my son attending Rising Aviation. He's more confident. He has a better group of friends that understand and share the same interest. And all these instructors here at Rising Aviation have really, just come into our lives and just been a real big blessing for us. Actually, ever since my son started, my son and myself, have shown a bigger interest in aviation. It's actually become a big part of our lives now. Aviation's so important, along with the pilot shortage that we're going to experience in a few years. It just provides, countless opportunities, from anywhere from being a pilot to being a mechanic to working in the business sector. There's so many opportunities in aviation. I'm just so blessed to have found Rising Aviation High School. It's been a godsend for my son. I feel that he finally found a place that he fits in, and he's grateful to come here every day.